Hello students, today we are going to start a topic that is much required in the field of linguistics. Now when we talk about linguistics is nothing but a science of learning any language. Now when we talk language in terms of science, language is purely a subject of arts and humanities, and then we are talking that linguistics is the science of any language. Now when we are very precise about the word science, that means it deals with all the technicalities that goes on in framing and representing a language in its form. Now phonetics, when we talk about language, one of the part that comes into consideration is phonetics. Now what is phonetics? Phonetics is nothing but a study of the entire sound system that goes into pronouncing and executing the language. Now when we talk about English language and when we go to the written form of that language, we are very clear that we have 26 letters. Now these 26 letters we know that are divided into vowels and consonants. Now these 26 letters goes on in forming sounds of that particular language. Now the sounds that are produced by these 26 letters in English language is 44. These 44 sounds creates the entire sound system of that particular language. Now when we talk about the division into vowel sounds and consonant sounds, as we are saying here, since this is a written language, we say 26 letters are divided into vowels and consonants. But when it is a matter of sound system, we say 44 sounds are divided into vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Now as here there is a division of 21 and 5, A, E, I, O, U, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Similarly, as I said, these 26 sounds give 40 letters give 44 sounds. These 5 vowels give 20 vowel sounds, and these 21 consonants give 24 consonant sounds. So there we consider that these are the vowels and the consonant sounds that go to constitute these 44 sounds of entire English language. Now when we talk about vowel sounds, here we don't have any, in written language we don't have any other further bifurcation of vowels, but in vowel sounds we have further bifurcation of the sounds that are divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. Now when we talk about monophthongs and diphthongs, it is very clear, mono 1 and di 2. So when we talk about monophthongs are when there is a clear pronunciation of one vowel sound into it. Suppose when I say put, suppose when I give the example put, so this word put is having 3 sounds, as it is very evident, p, t, and in between the vowel sound, that is u. So this clear pronunciation of one vowel sound in a word is known as monophthong. Whereas when we talk about diphthong, it is very clear when we say the word about, right, and we focus on this a and u, we see that there are, in continuity there are 2 sounds that are coming, that is a and u. When these 2 sounds merge together, it gives a different sound, a third type of a vowel sound, that is known as diphthong, where 2 sounds merge together to give a third sound. So that is known as diphthong. Now when we come to the further bifurcation, number of monophthongs and diphthongs, we have say 12 monophthongs and we have 8 diphthongs. Now 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs, every sound, as to these 26 letters have the symbol, like when I say A, this is the symbol of A. Similarly, till A to Z, all 26 letters have one or the other symbol dedicated to it. Similarly, these 44 sounds also have one or the other symbol exclusively dedicated to connotate and denotate the sound. Now, as in the very first lecture I told you that these are the symbols that is being used, and in the next lecture, next class probably, we will be dealing with all the symbols of these sound systems. Thank you.